Papers now on the front page of the Daily Graphic. Supreme Court upholds tax law. Pay now, argue later. So there's some kind of military instruction. Do before complain.
Yeah, I know, right?
You know, just go ahead, go and pay the thing. Pay a little bit, and then come. Let's argue it. Still on the front page, graphic Greta real estate experience today. Buy your Daily Graphic tomorrow. Okay. As we profile Doma East, court affirms Techiman South NPP candidate winner. So after the back and forth,
yeah,
the court says that still it has to be Martin J. Mensah-Kosa, who is the substantive MP for Techiman South. Supplement on Farmers' Day.
All right.
Tomorrow is Farmers' Day.
Yeah, tomorrow is Farmers' Day.
But we have to buy plenty plantain and other stuff for the farmers. They are informing
me, I'm still wondering why the ministry is still doing this business and they haven't already gone to the district assemblies. You know me, I'm very up in arms about that issue.
No worry, as far as if they bring it,
take the thing.
If they bring it to the staff, I will come and buy.
Honorable,
me, I'll come and buy plantain. Don't mind David.
From Ministry of Agriculture.
From everywhere.
You go and fight to the people there.
I'll come and buy onions.
Did you hear what was going on?
I
there?
did. No, but when you are going there, don't go in your heels. You go as a normal Ghanaian who is desperate to buy plantain and try. We will come and fight. Honorable will come and buy. Don't mind. Continue.
All right, the Ghanaian Times has these headlines here. It says constitutional review. It must fix flaws in society. Justice Brobe is speaking there. Planting for Food and Jobs sustains Ghana's food economy. As a director from the Ministry of Food and Agriculture speaking there. Moody's has downgraded Ghana's credit rating from CAA2 to CA. All right. Now, by the way, CA is the last from the bottom. So if the grades were up to F, this one is like E minus.
You're just a step.
Yeah, you're literally if it shakes more, no, you have entered into the last category. So that's where we are. But says country's outlook is stable. Well, okay. Wenchi High Court dismisses case against Techiman South MP. 15 awards to be presented at 38th National Farmers Day tomorrow. All right, on the back page of the Ghanaian Sports, Ghana fans, foreign media crave for Uruguay revenge. Okay. Tunisia bow out despite win as France and Australia advance. See, I would have rewritten this headline. I would have rewritten this headline. I would have said that Tunisia, despite going out in the group stages, Tunisia punches last blow to France on their way out.
Whichever way you put it, you are going home. But I said I was supporting Australia.
You were?
Yeah, for family reasons.
Okay.
Yeah, I was supporting Australia.
Okay.
You get it? Yeah. And, no, because I don't have any deal with Denmark. I don't care. I was supporting Australia for personal reasons. And I was supporting Argentina. Because Messi had to do it.
Yeah.
I'm never a fan of Cristiano Ronaldo.
You haven't been a fan of him?
Never.
Yeah.
You know.
No, I have always been a fan of Cristiano Ronaldo.
It's okay.
Until what happened, the penalty issue this year.
Well,
I said that now he's everybody's good except mine.
No, except Ghanaians. Except majority of Ghanaians. We just even noticed that his Adam's apple is too sharp, Umpo. You know, take your time and look at the Adam's apple. It's too pointed.
Really?
No, at this point, everything about Cristiano Ronaldo upsets us. Right, so we go to the Chronicle. Menstrual nurse undergoes psychot treatment after that, in quotes, general asks you people do. If you did science, then you are a disappointed nurse tirade. You follow the story, right?
Yeah. I don't know why he's still at post. Why is he still at post?
I think he's now being investigated. Yeah.
You see, this is the problem.
No, you see.
Then let's deal the matter. If he is exonerated.
Pay and argue later.
Yeah, exactly.
No, but you know, sometimes with the process, you yourself can tell where it's going to. You know, the moment they said a committee has been set, we are doing this, we are doing that, you know that eventually you're on your way of like from CA to CA. You know, the listing
Okay.
you are off.
Well, guess what? Guess what? Before you continue, there's a headline here.
Yeah.
CitiNewsroom.com.
Yeah.
NSS suspends Ashanti Regional Director for abusing nurse. Well, kudos to you,
We are
NSS.
happy. Yeah.
Kudos
We are
to
happy.
you. Okay.
All right. So we're still on the front page of the Chronicle. Majority in silent protest in Parliament over budget, and registered SIM cards to be disconnected today. NDC flops in Techiman South, and scripture of the day, Psalm 34 verse 18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit.
Okay. Chronicle.
Yeah.
Business Finder has these headlines. ADB grants 993.5 million Ghana Citi loans. This is to agricultural sector in 5 years. Okay. A macroeconomic stability will be restored. This is coming from the IMF. They are propping up Ghana. And 2022 Farmers Day, Newmont donates items worth 200,000 Ghana cedis towards the event. Right, so those are the headlines on the front page of the Business Finder.
Now moving on to the New Crusading Guide. Operator Censure Report. Why and how Ground 3 of proponents' motion fell flat. Trouble looms at Asamankese as chiefs clash over Obodran Festival. Now court throws out Techiman South election petition, finds NDC 100,000 Ghana cedis. So they've lost, and they're supposed to pay 100,000 cedis.
Yeah.
And this will be split between the MP and the EC.
Okay.
Anyway, now Edumwa is not Kutuse chief. Ne Ayikuma Taikuba II is saying so. The Mantasco breeds and plans for Ghana.
All right, the Daily Guide has these headlines here. It says, Aisha Wang destroyed my farmland. This is a witness in court speaking. Techiman seat, MPP floors NDC petitioner to pay 100,000 Ghana cedis. And also Bempa, 6 others discharged. And we have independent auditor to check Auditor General. Okay, so those are the headlines on the front page of the Daily Guide. On the back page is an interesting story here. It says Liverpool and Citi are chasing Kudus.
Oh yeah, Kudus is going to Citi.
It's a good City, eh?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
No, he'll look good in a light blue jersey.
It's our home.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm so excited, you know, what the Nima guys are doing, the mural and
the
all
mural.
the
That's gorgeous. That's...
And I really think that we need to do more of these. Celebrate our own champions.
Yeah. Celebrate them whilst they are at the height of what they're doing. Let's recognize
because
them.
When they go and do nya,
we
bash
are
them.
the same people that will,
so if they do well, let's all come together and celebrate them. And I think we are doing a good job with Kudus. Now, the Business and Financial Times are great spending, only 1.9% of government budget, a far cry from the 10% Malabo pledge. Government targets $3 billion forex savings from gold, oil, butter policy. Oil revenue goes up 89%. GRA enforces VAT compliance at quarry site. 1 local, 5 Chinese quarries in the net. The beauty of the 3-tier pension scheme under successive governments. Topmost CEOs to attend prestigious CEOs Business Networking cocktail.
All right. CitiNewsroom.com.
Yeah.
I just want to quickly read that story that we have. The NSS suspends Ashanti Regional Director for abusing nurse. The National Service Scheme has with immediate effect suspended its Ashanti Regional Director, Alex Opoku-Mensah. The suspension comes after Mr. Opoku-Mensah stormed dementia hospital in the Ashanti region and abused a nurse who allegedly mistreated his daughter, a doctor at the facility. Now, a statement by the NSS stated that the decision was made on Wednesday, November 30th, at an emergency meeting the management of the scheme held with Mr. Opoku-Mensah. Okay, and it says here, the management's decision is to allow further investigations into the alleged verbal assault on a nurse on duty at the Meshia Government Hospital in Kumasi. I think that was a good decision, a swift
step
decision.
in the right direction.
Yeah.
Because for me, the challenging aspect of this whole thing is the fact that this is the National Service Secretariat boss.
Yes.
You know, in the Ashanti region.
Yes.
Look at the link.
Yeah.
You know, you are the one in charge of the students,
Yes,
people
the
who are
young
going to
people
serve,
who
young
are going to
people.
serve.
You are supposed to be some kind of mentor to them.
And the doctor in question is actually a houseman. Now, the housemanship level is actually your national service to the government level. That's
no,
where
David,
she is at.
you see, for
so
me,
it really...
For me, even if she's a full-blown doctor, you have no right whatsoever to abuse people like that. In an era where we are encouraging people to go into the sciences, to encouraging women to go into engineering, and even encouraging people to go into technical, vocational education, someone goes through this, and a learned man like you, this is your mentality, this is your mindset, simply because what they called your daughter. I think this man needs to open a private clinic for the daughter, you know, manage it. I mean, this is your business. And you will know the importance of nurses, you know, what a nurse has to do to help your daughter achieve their
No, I have a lot to say about this matter, but I mean, we'll get into that maybe at another point.
You know, once you are suspended, it's fine for now. You know.
All right. Well, it's time for sports review. Don't go anywhere.